Sir.
Okay, please send a slip.
Thank you, sir. I'm talking about the plight of manual scavengers again. I think a lot of my colleagues and me have brought this subject up many times, but there has not been much improvement. Slightly, but not enough. Last reported were 50 deaths. This is official. Non-officially, lot more. Sir, it is a pity that today we are still talking about death and manual scavengers. I cannot understand, sir, why we have not yet been able to provide them protective gears and why we have not done away with manual scavengers. We are talking of progress, we are talking about going to the moon and Mars and everywhere, and we cannot provide. It's an embarrassment for the country and for all of us sitting here. I remember that Professor Manoj Jha had brought this up on a private member's bill. There has been no response. We need a response. Railway Mantri is sitting here. Sir, a lot of manual scavengers are used by the railways as well. Please take note that given proper gear, protective gear, sir, a lot of them, the children of these scavengers are refusing to do the same work. But how do you rehabilitate them? There are no jobs for them. Society discriminates against them. All these things need to be addressed. We do talk about minorities, we talk about SC, ST, we talk about reservations. What about these people, sir? This country has been independent for so long. I think these people need dignity, these people need rehabilitation, and all people who do not, especially the contractors who do not provide them proper gear, need to be punished. And I think some kind of response should come from the government to the people, to this house, and also it will go across the world, because you do Swachh Bharat. This is a part of Swachh Bharat. Don't give slogans.
Right.
Do the work. Thank you.
Thank you, Jai. Associate, please send your names. Dr. Amar Patnaik.